Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content. Today, we're going to do a look with the Glamlite Bratz collection. I've got the palette and the blush and one lip kit. So anyway, I do confess, this is my second look. I did a look with it this morning before church and I did wear it to church, but I don't want to post it. It looked bad. I messed up the blush. So anyway, we're going to try this again, a different color. I've changed tops. We're going to do the purple look right here, this second column. And, you know, we can jump around to some other colors if we want, but I might just play it safe and just stick with the purples after what I did this morning. But this morning, what I did was not really a problem with the palette. It was a problem with me. I took the blush and stuck it on the brush and then stuck it directly on my face. And so now I have learned, don't do that. And so anyway, so let's get started. Another trick. I'm going to pull this second tray out so I don't lose it. It comes right out. And it comes in a little drawer. It's real super cute. And I'm going to start with this lavender color and taking it over my whole lids, particularly around the crease. So then I'm going to take in the outer corner, I'm going to take this little bit deeper purple and put a little bit more in the crease and on the outer corner. I'm going to put that in the outer corner and through the crease. A little bit. A thin crease, not a thick crease. Ooh, this is pretty. I think the other one would have been okay too. It was my first stab at using this palette. I should have, you know, planned it out a little bit better, especially on the blush. That just really messed it up. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, this lighter color right here above this color, the finger with this silver color, it's right above the color that we just used. I'm going to put on the inner part of my eye. This is going to be pretty. And then this deeper shade of purple, I'm going to use a different finger, and I'm going to put it on the outer side of my lid. I'm just having a terrible time. Now, a little bit of blending. And I'm going to see how this works under my line. It sticks a little bit. These here are just these Amazon liners. I usually do not put anything on my water line. I've heard you're not supposed to do that. At least not all the time. So now we're going to take purple underneath it. So how about we brighten that purple up on the outer corner a little bit more. Now then, for the inner corner, I want to use this shade. Work on some blush. So, I'm going to be super careful. We're going to test this out on our hand this time. So, I'm going to think about this lavender kind of brush. So, it doesn't seem to be getting too dark. So, let's try this again. I think it'll be okay. So, let's try this lavender blush. I don't know that the blush was a good purchase for me because the top half I'm not going to be interested in using. And the bottom half, you know, I can use those. I didn't realize they was partly cream. I thought they'd be, you know, all the same formula. And so when I put this on, it's not really turning out that lavendery. I don't know if it's because I'm using a brush that's used other stuff, but I wiped it off. This is Revolution. I picked it off Amazon. We're going to see what happens when we put a little of this on top of it. I'm going to go ahead and use some black eyeliner, just a little bit. I'm just going to use black mascara. The blue might would have looked pretty too, but we're just going to use black. Out some. Probably should have done this before the blush, but their blushes are pretty pigmented, so. Okay, here is our lip kit. And I love this lip kit. I probably should have got more than one, but some of them said plumping and I didn't want this. So we got this pretty pencil. It's kind of a brown color. I don't know really what color it is. This might be sort of a violet color pencil, sort of a, I like it. It goes well with this. We have a super pretty gloss. There's a little star on it. It's got some shimmer to it. It's real pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and put some setting spray on. Okay, so this is the final look for this one. I like this so much better than the other one I did. We are going to try the other one, maybe for a short, and since I've learned my lesson about the blush. Now, what are my thoughts on it? It's the second time using it. The first one, I used these greens and stuff, which I thought they went well with the red. I probably could have executed it a little bit better. Blush, for me, I'm not liking it. I think it's too dark for my skin tone. Like even what I used today, I used this one here and it seemed to come on rather dark. I was used to something a little bit lighter, and I mean, it's okay, I guess. I do feel like it's just a little bit too pink, and I don't know. I had high hopes for it, you know, and maybe I'll get better at using it. Maybe it's just me and not knowing how to use it properly. And but I don't like the creams at all. And we'll see about these. I'm going to actually hunt for that tape to put on the top of that so I'm not, you know, accidentally hitting it. But anyway, I do like the eyes. It's just the blush that I think is just a little bit too much. Maybe I'm just kind of gun shy after this morning. No, it was a mess. And I had to work and work and work to tone it down, and it was still way too dark. Anyway, it was just too dark. And so stay tuned. Tomorrow morning I'll do another look and tag to the end of this video. I would have this done, but I just can't post that other video. So I will see you in the next look. Bye-bye. Okay, so now on for look 2 with the Bratz palette. So we're going to do some blue today. Just put it all over the lid and in the crease. I do have primer on, and I put tinted sunscreen on. Today I think we're going to use the turquoise. So let's put a little bit of that in the corner. and make a little V. Start off with a little bit of the blue. And then on the inner corner, I'm going to add in a little bit of green. Make it blue and green. Let's go blend this in. I'm going to grab some more of the blue for my blending. Then I'm going to use a blue pencil. This is a gel liner from Amazon, which you guys have probably seen it before. It's not the dark blue. It's just, this kind of goes with all colors. It kind of blends in with all shades of blue that we've used so far. It's going to brighten up our corners a little bit more. For the inner corner, I'm going to use this lighter color here. Go ahead and color in my eyebrows because I forgot to. Now we're going to use blue. Before we move on, we're going to add this shade here. We're going to add this shade here to our brow, the one that we use for the highlighter. Right there. Then we can blend some more. Now then, okay, we're going to try this blush again. I'm going to be super careful. So I covered up this top row back. I'm not up to that. And we're not going to use lavender. Although it's pretty, I don't think it'll go with this. We're just going to use a little bit of pink for now. So that's kind of a reddish color. This is a pink. And this is a lavender. So we're going to use the pink just a little bit. My face is a little bit red this morning anyway because of probably the tretinoin. We're just going to use a little bit. A little bit more. That's better. It was just way too dark yesterday. Put on some powder. Okay, so now we're going to do lip pencil that came with it. The lipstick. And the lip gloss. This is super pretty. Use some setting spray. We're going to use this 16 hours later. If you can tell, I've got the kind of silver highlighter here, and on the brow we've got sort of the greeny turquoise on the inner eye, and it goes out to more of the blue turquoise. Anyway, I hope you like it. This turned out a whole lot better yesterday. The trick to the blush for me was to have a super light hand. I just used the pink today. I'm going to try to do another short and play it tomorrow maybe. And I might play around with these again some more. I don't know. Right now I'm scared of them because of the experience I had yesterday. But the powder's okay. I don't think that, for me, the blush was not a good value. It may be for you, but it's not for me. So what are my final thoughts? I love, love, love the lip kit. I love the palette. The blush, not so much. I'm going to use it because I paid for it, but if I had to do it over again, I wouldn't buy it. But you might like it just fine. So, stay tuned for more looks, and we'll see you in the next video. Be sure, if you're not subscribed, give me a subscribe and hit the notification bell button and give me a like. I know I wasn't very talkative today. It's early this morning. I guess I'm just kind of tired. Anyway, thank you all for watching again, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.